Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Tesla stock community tools on Robinhood, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open the Robinhood app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type Tesla in the search bar and select Tesla from the list of results. You will now be directed to Tesla's stock page. On this page, you can view current stock prices and market trends. To join the Tesla stock community, scroll down to find the Community Tools section. You may be prompted to read and accept the community guidelines. Review the guidelines carefully, then tap Accept to continue. Now, you will have access to discussions, insights, and resources related to Tesla stock. Take some time to explore the community discussions and forums. You can follow other investors and interact with their posts. To post your own insights or questions, find the post option within the community. Create a post by typing your message in the designated area. Once you have finished, tap Post to share your thoughts with the community. Congratulations! You are now a part of the Tesla stock community on Robinhood. Regularly check back to stay updated and engaged with the latest discussions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.